Thank you, Romania, for providing us this great experience. We will never ever forget it, and this is the reason why we love traveling.
We started our day from Transalpina, from that lake, and drove straight to Transfagarasan after that.
Yeah, because it was so cloudy and cold in the top, so we decided just to move. And in the valley, our favorite camping place was closed because of the bears or something.
Yeah, there was some bear situations on that place, but it was really awesome. It cost like 10 leis per night.
Yeah.
There wasn't any services, but it was a valley and it has river and it has camping spots.
Yeah.
But just like us now.
Yeah.
We are in Transfagarasan at the moment, and this is just a lay-by or road going to the cabana cabin in the woods.
Yeah, this is a good place to stop and spend tonight. We do have a rule: when it gets dark, nobody is allowed to go outside of the van. I'm a bit scared of the bears because now I did see them, plenty of them. They are not hibernating yet because it's so hot, and they are not afraid of humans at all, so they are like scary bears. And it was fun because us tourists were driving on the road, and then this German car just stopped and took a selfie stick from the window, and then we did reserve because we wanted to see the bear better. And behind us was the police honking the horn, and he was not pleased. He was coming out of the car and
gendarmerie in here, and I was going backwards with our van because there was a bear just behind us.
Yeah. Stupid tourists acting like a stupid tourist. Guilty as charged.
I think they are used to them because there's a lot of people stopping when they see bears.
Yeah.
Of course, we were here 8 years ago and trying to find bears. We didn't see any. We were in Romania for months and still we didn't see any bears. But now we saw, I think, 14 of bears totally.
Yeah, and good tip is when you see the GPS route, when there's a red or orange spots in the corners, it means there's a possibility of the bear, and especially when you see people have stopped their vehicles.
Oh, so there's a line of cars coming to you.
Yeah.
You know that in a couple of minutes there's bears.
Our plan was to stop here and keep eye on the bears, because this is supposed to be a bear spot, because the stream is there, bears come to drink. But now we don't care if we don't see any bears, because we did
I want to see many bears. Sorry, I don't want to see any bears in here.
Too much?
No, not too much.
Yeah.
I would love to see them here also.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, let's see. But this is just the main road around Transfagarasan is going there, and this is just a small gravel road. Taking pull out before the sun goes down. Yeah, when we saw a fox, there's a fox. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a river, there's a fox going. Yeah, he's going to the forest. But we have seen more wildlife today than on our plot for the past 3 years, which is awesome. The place that we're gonna spend tonight gonna work really great. It's quiet. The Transfagarasan is already dead silent, and 9 p.m. after that you cannot actually drive the whole place. So we will be here all alone, and we are here before the darkness because of the bears, so they don't surprise us.
Our evening plan is just lay in our bed and watch to the darkness. There's a nice moonlight, so it's not really that dark. We can see the creatures coming. Hopefully we can still see some bears in our camp. It would be awesome because we are inside here safe in a tin can. Yeah, I know they can break our windows if they want to, but they do not want to. Yeah, exciting night. I'm sure I don't get any sleep. Yeah, fun times. And Pulla is our watchdog. He protects us. Today was super exciting. This is why I love traveling. Very good morning from the van. Another peaceful, quiet night is behind us. And we did not see any more bears in our overnighting spot, but it got really dark soon. So even if we did not really see them if they were here. Yeah, we are still quite hyped about seeing all those bears yesterday. They are magnificent big creatures. I feel so blessed that I could really see them alive and not behind the cage or something. And also it gives us mixed feelings. We only saw the bears because they are so tame and not afraid of humans, because humans have gave them food. And it's not really a good thing when the wildlife gets too tame. And also we are part of the problem because we are here documenting our trip. And of course we also took video and photos of the bear. So we are not fixing the problem. Yeah. This is one of the most popular touristic routes in Romania. And again, here's a lot of stray doggies. And soon there will be winter, like a full winter, lot of snow, and they will close the road and it opens again next May. So it's a long winter, plenty of months. I don't know what happens to the dogs. Are they wise enough just walk down the valley and get some food from there, or do they just stay here and freeze to death and die from the starvation? Hopefully not. But here's so many of the dogs. Every place where is a little widening spot of the road, there's at least one doggy. You don't get used to seeing the sad puppies, no. No matter how much you spend time here, it always breaks your heart, because there's so many of them. We started driving, but we did not drive very far because our van says tire pressure low.
Both of the rear tires are 4.3 when they are 4.9 to 5.1. Actually 5.1 usually. It's a cold night, yes, it affects the pressure, but I think it shouldn't be affecting that much. So we have an ODP reader. I'm gonna put it there so we can see live feed from the tire pressure monitors.
I checked the tires with my eyes and it seemed like there's no punctures, but I don't know what's going on. Hopefully we can find out more soon.
And we have also a pump, so we can pump them more air if needed. Okay, we drove a little, so it went up to 4.5. I think it's okay. Something to do with the all-terrain tires and high altitudes maybe. This is other side of the Transfagarasan. We have seen now our first camper vans on this trip on Transfagarasan, and also, yeah, there ain't cars. So it's totally off season and we love it. And the road continues up in the mountains from here. And there's this car which is advertising roadside assistance if we need it. Yeah, really beautiful.
Just seeing if we can score our friends. We never leave a sticker. We think it's littering. We are better people.
And just like that, we are on the other side of the whole mountain. Transfagarasan. It's going down there. The ziggy-zaggy roads. This feels like a Trollstigen, more like you can see the road going down. When the other side was like harsh nature and you couldn't see the road where they're going. But both sides, they make me smile a lot. Mountains. It gives us smiles and enjoyment a lot. Yeah, we just parked here because there was a lot of booths and people, so here we can be more alone. Still, not that many cars. I can see now on that road 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum of 10 cars. Off-season traveling. Best thing ever.
We are inside of the national park and you can spend the night here with your motorhome or van, but you cannot go there where the planes are. You need to stay inside of the either gravel or the pavement. So these layabouts are okay. And there's several comments in Park for Night that if you park to the nature, you will get fines. And people who park next to the road don't. So that's a good rule to obey.
In summertime and in high season, people are everywhere, every time, from the morning time to evening, and especially during the daytime. But now in off season, there is only retirees traveling, so it's totally different game. So, for example, we left our last camp spot, I think 7 AM, and while we were drinking coffee 6 AM, there was like 5 or 6 vans already driving there. So yeah, they wake up really early. So if you wanna catch good spot to camp, go in the morning time like 10 AM. It's empty because retirees are driving at that moment. Yeah. And it's really nice to be here on off season with retirees like us. We had a good lunch here and gonna continue down the hill and look for a place for next night. We have to go to post office to send some stickers. Some who ordered from us Vantastic stickers, and after that we're gonna go. There's a river and some place to camp and maybe make a bonfire and grill some food in the evening time. Our life is fulfilled with eating different things, different times. Yes, let's go down there. So now it's time to go forward, or downward.
Exactly. The road looks pretty similar to Trollstigen in Norway, except the weather is clear here And Norway, usually there's a bunch of clouds that you cannot see that much.
And I like this better than Transalpina because this has good two sides. So this side is remarkably nice, and also the other side is remarkably nice.
Yeah.
And bonus is the bears on the lake. So there's like an extra
Everything.
bonus. So I it's not really a surprise that this is the most beautiful route in Romania.
And most popular one for sure. It has its reasons. Stunning, gorgeous place. But now we will go down, enjoy the views.
Yes,
We sure will.
I think it's like a 2-hour drive, second gear most of the time. Yes, as I pondered, it's a 30-minute second gear going down, approximately 4,000 RPMs, and I'll speed it at approximately 50 km per hour. This is how we roll down from the mountains, without using brakes or hardly any brakes.